The replace function is probably the most complicated function that we have looked at so far because it has a lot of parameters. The parameters are the things that you send to the function, the information, the options, configuration, all that kind of stuff. In the round function, we've only got two parameters: the number you want to round and how many digits you want to round to. The text function has two parameters: the number you want to convert to text and the format for it. The length function only has one parameter, whatever the string of text is that you want to get the length for. Well, the replace function has many parameters. Watch this. Equals replace and our opening parenthesis. So I've got right there 4 parameters that we're going to send. The old text, the starting number in that text, the number of characters that we're going to replace, and the new text that we're going to replace it with. Here's how it works. For the old text, I'm going to specify this cell right here. So I'm referencing C4, which right now has electric guitar as its value. Here's my comma, and the next parameter is start number. This is what character place do you want to start replacing text. Let's do number 4, and that would be the 4th character, or the C in electric guitar, the first C there. And then my comma, the number of characters that I want to replace. Let's do 3, and then another comma, and the new text that I want. For this, I'll do a double quote, and we'll just do KDW. Those are my initials, and now you know them. But anyhow, KDW is the initials, capitals, and a closing parenthesis. Watch what happens when I hit the enter key. Now I'm starting on this text, C4, going to the 4th character, and replacing 3 characters with that text. What that gives me is, starting on that 4th character, which was a C, it replaces the next 3 characters with my string of text, and I get the full thing, the full, the existing original text with the new replacements. Okay, let's go back in here and make a modification. How about, what if I went to only 2 characters and hit enter? Okay, it still replaces those 3 because the string of text that I've got there is that long. But what if I do 4? Notice what that does. It now is missing a character, so it gets rid of it. And if I did 5, it'll get rid of that last C. So I'm replacing 5 characters with those 3 characters, KDW. Well, let's explore a little bit more. So we've got C4. We're going to move the starting position to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is where the G starts in guitar. And we will make this replace 6 characters with kazoo and hit enter. So now we've got an electric kazoo. Now, the interesting thing about this is, because we're using Excel and all of this is dynamically updated, what if I changed this to acoustic guitar and hit enter? Look what happens down here. It's now an acoustic kazoo, which aren't all kazoos acoustic. Yes, they are. What it does is it's looking at C4, and whatever that value is in C4, it's running, everything that it's supposed to do as the replace function. So what we're going to do in the next video, and I'll go ahead and put the apostrophe here so you can see, the single quote, I should call it. And we'll make that larger. What we're going to do is combine the length function and the replace function, because here's what we've got to have. We know what text we're going to reference, right? When we're in this cell right here, we're going to reference that text. What we don't know is the length of that text, because this could be, $351.71. It could be $3,500.20, or it could be $1 25. So we don't know where to tell the replace function to start. But what we can do is use the length function to get the length of characters, and then we can tell it where we want it to start. And we'll do that in the next video.